Your parents never told you how insects truly see the world. Their vision is far more complex than you might imagine. Insects possess two primary eye types for sensing light. Compound eyes form intricate, mosaic-like images for them. Simple eyes, called ocelli, are surprisingly different in function. This dual system offers distinct advantages for insect survival. Understanding both reveals an amazing mastery of visual perception. Let's compare these fascinating optical instruments up close. Compound eyes, like those of a dragonfly, are truly remarkable. They comprise thousands of individual light-sensing units. Each unit, an ommatidium, captures a small pixel of light. This mosaic vision excels at detecting rapid movement efficiently. Hunting prowess evade swats with their incredibly fast reaction times. Their wide field of view provides constant environmental awareness. This complex structure is a marvel of natural engineering. Now let's explore the much simpler, yet crucial ocelli. Ocelli are single-lens structures, lacking detailed image formation. They do not create the mosaic vision of compound eyes. Instead, ocelli detect changes in light intensity, primarily. General illumination. Bees use their 3 ocelli for stabilizing flight orientation. General illumination. Ants may use them for general light direction during foraging. Caterpillars possess stomata, a different type of simple eye. Stomata help caterpillars navigate light and dark areas. Many insects utilize both eye types simultaneously for survival. Compound eyes provide the detailed, wide-angle visual information. Ocelli offer crucial information about ambient light levels quickly. Day-flying insects use ocelli for maintaining their flight path. Nocturnal insects might rely more on ocelli for low light sensitivity. This dual system optimizes their visual landscape perfectly. Imagine a preying mantis, a master predator, using both systems. Its compound eyes track prey with incredible precision and speed. Its ocelli likely help it maintain a stable, upright posture. This combined approach allows for precise strikes and navigation. Evolution has tailored insect vision to their specific ecological niches. Predators need sharp, fast motion detection capabilities to hunt effectively. Prey animals benefit from early detection of approaching threats. Consider a moth's nocturnal navigation by moonlight, aided by ocelli. Each eye type offers a distinct, critical survival edge for them. Insect vision is far more complex and ingenious than it first appears. Simple eyes work detailed, amazing, complementary synergy. This dual approach significantly optimizes their survival strategies.
Their visual world is rich, detailed, and perfectly adapted.
If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.